The U.S. residential solar market is facing a critical juncture with a mix of challenges and opportunities. Despite a strong 2024, the first half of 2025 has brought uncertainty due to shifting federal policies, tariffs, and trade restrictions. Solar prices remain low, but battery costs have seen a modest increase due to new tariffs on Chinese components. This transition year could significantly impact how solar projects are financed, supplied, and constructed. Emily Walker, EnergySage's Director of Insights, highlights the importance of public policy in making solar accessible to homeowners. She believes that with the right policies, solar will continue to be an attractive option for the future. However, the industry is navigating financing shifts, with loan rates increasing and a growing preference for cash purchases. Trump's big bill, OBBBA, has extended tax credit protection for third-party ownership, TPO, systems, which is expected to drive a major shift in the market. Contractors are expressing concerns about the potential loss of the federal solar tax credit and the impact of new equipment tariffs. Many are already feeling the strain of reduced profitability due to higher interest rates and rising labor costs. With the tax credit set to end this year, solar contractors are rethinking their business strategies to adapt to a post-tax credit era. Walker emphasizes the need for companies to find innovative ways to reach homeowners and offer value to remain competitive during this transition. But here's where it gets controversial. With China installing more solar capacity than the rest of the world combined in the first half of 2025, the U.S. market is facing increased competition and trade challenges. This could further impact the availability and pricing of solar components. And this is the part most people miss. The ending of the 30% federal solar tax credit this year presents a unique opportunity for homeowners to go solar. It's a chance to take advantage of competitive pricing and ensure a trusted, reliable solar installer. EnergySage is a free service that connects homeowners with pre-vetted solar installers, offering high-quality solutions and significant savings. With unbiased energy advisors to guide you, it's an easy and efficient way to make the switch to solar. So if you've ever considered going solar, now is the time to act and be part of the renewable energy revolution. What are your thoughts on the future of the U.S. residential solar market? Do you think the industry can overcome these challenges and continue to thrive? Share your opinions, and let's discuss the potential impact on the clean energy transition.